So I don't know about you, but I love planning. I love strategizing. I love thinking about the future and writing down goals and positive affirmations. I'm a huge fanboy of Tony Robbins. But at the end of the day, you've got to start taking action. Really, that's it. For you to get to where you want to go, you've got to take action. You've got to have faith. And in order to have faith, you've got to just be willing to take the first step without seeing the whole entire staircase. I know Martin Luther King had a quote that I just paraphrased, but that's it. I mean, at the end of the day, positive thinking, hanging around with people who are making a lot of money, who are successful, like that's great. Listening to Tony Robbins, going through a morning routine, that's great. But you've got to take action. You've got to understand, okay, this is where I am right now. Maybe I'm making $1,000 a month. I want to get to $3,000 a month. This is the plan. Here's the blueprint. What's the first thing that I can do? You don't have to know how to do step 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You don't have to know the best way to, store your items if you're trying to build an eBay business, the best way to scale, the best way to, do your bookkeeping, and what are you going to do when taxes come along? You've just got to worry about the first step, and then you've got to take that action. That's it, because you want to know what? When you take action on whatever it is that you're going towards, when you take that first step, once you get past that, another door is going to open, and your main objective is to get past that second door. Once you get past that second door, the third door. It's kind of like when you're, driving your car at nighttime. You have to have faith because your headlights can only see, 20, 30, 40 feet in front of you, but you have faith knowing that, as you keep driving and progressing, the road's going to keep, progressing, and you're going to keep moving forward. You have faith in it, right? You have trust in the process. And that's the way it is when you're building a business and going after your goals. Don't get stuck worrying and planning and trying to figure out step 2 through 26, because you want to know what? Step 2 through 26 isn't going to be what you think it's going to be. You can do all the research you want. You can watch all the videos. You can plan. But nothing beats experience, and nothing beats taking action. You can apply this to any area of your life. So whatever it is that you're, trying to accomplish right now in your business, I know we've got less than 3 months left in the year. Finish it off strong. Take action. I've been saying this to myself lately about my real estate goal, because I have a goal of buying my first real estate investment property by March 1st, 2019. And I've read like 5 or 6 books, and I'm learning and I'm listening to audiobooks. But I keep saying to myself, you gotta take action. So my next step is getting a real estate agent and then getting pre-approved and starting to get deals fed to me and start analyzing them. I can read all the books in the world, but if I don't start looking at properties and analyzing them, nothing's gonna happen. If you don't start going to the thrift store and buying stuff, if you don't start listing stuff on eBay, if you don't send in your first FBA shipment, if you don't just buy eFlip and source your first book and learn the process, nothing's gonna happen. It's the way it is. So just want to give you guys this positive message. Go out there, take action, crush it, make it happen, and I'll see you in the next one.